It's workout number 3. In today's program, we're going to combine both pushing and pulling. Work within your range. Work to your progression level, but work hard. Okay? Don't forget to add a comment in the course comments below. Be the inspiration for people just like you. Remember, there's other people that are on this course that started from nothing. Let us know how you're feeling. Give us some constructive feedback about the programming. What's worked for you? What hasn't worked for you? This is important for us because we want to keep progressing too. We want to keep on making the programming as accessible as possible. And we want to make it the best program that it can possibly be.